Hello, homeowners and property managers. Richard Rash here, your trusted foundation repair consultant. With spring rains on the horizon, it's time to talk about something crucial: how moisture impacts your home, especially if it is built on expansive soils like those found here in North Texas. Many homes were built on dry soil that expands significantly when wet. This expansion can cause your foundation to shift and your house can begin to twist, kind of like trying to twist a jigsaw puzzle on a piece of cardboard. But here's something you might not know. Most of these issues don't require piers. In fact, using piers too early can make the problem worse and lead to costly, unnecessary repairs. It's all about understanding how soil behaves and addressing the root cause of the issues. Foundation companies love to push piers as a quick fix, but drainage corrections, getting the water flow right, can often solve the problem in a much more effective and budget-friendly way. For more details, give me a call or text at 817-308-8186. We can set up a thorough evaluation and consultation with the detailed report, or you can check out my book, Foundation Repair, the book. It's available on Amazon and Barnes & Noble. Visit repairfoundations.com for comprehensive foundation repair solutions. Also, help protect your family and share this information with your friends, neighbors, and relatives. Together, we can keep our homes safe and secure, especially as the spring rains roll in. I look forward to helping you. Remember, if I can't help, you don't pay. See you soon.